this video, I'm going to explain about gold loan concept where the the jumping interest is locked after certain period, and then after the tenure the penalty is also applied. So let's see how this system works. In master setup product scheme, I have created one dummy scheme log demo, and here I have configured rate of interest 2% 180 days as a tenor. Calculation logic is runtime interest where 80% 7 days locking period for foreclosure, then amount as entered, penalty also added 2% monthly which will be applied after the tenor which is mentioned here 180 days. In disbursement, jumping interest is locked till interest due is not cleared. Now, what is jumping interest? So, in interest config, we can see that 0 to 30, 0.9, and so forth. The interest is applied for that specific range. So, I click close here, and in main details, I have selected here the scheme type or the loan type as a gold. I close this and search profile, click loan and select a product scheme, enter the ornament details, click add to draft, and then whatever amount I'm disbursing should be definitely lesser than the valuation. Then I select the disbursement by, and then here I select a date in such a way that it will be lesser than 180 days so that penalty calculation can be viewed in this demo. So I select 6 months, so 6/24 1st June, this one. Okay, I click save. Loan 333 is created. Now when I search loan, then we can see here the difference from the earlier demo is that the penalty is calculated because number of days 3 to 34. Now let's say customer comes on 1st December, okay, 184 days. So even I go back further and take 15th November, 168 days, penalty is not applied. Okay, now let's say if basically instead of 168 I want to try accepting the penalty. Okay, so what I'll be doing, going back to the same scenario where the penalty is calculated here for 4 days actually. Okay, so and interest calculated 12,267. Okay, so total amount is coming including penalty 12,467. What I'm going to do is that I will accept only 10,000. That means customer paid 10,000, so I'm receiving 10,000 as on 1/12/24. Okay, and I click receive. When I click this, when I receive this, definitely customer paid the less amount than the calculated interest. Hence, whatever rate of interest was applied that time, it is showing it here. So let me search this loan again. The loan number is 333, and now the rate of interest is locked actually 2%. Okay, and total number of days showing here 233 days, and total calculated interest is showing this much. Now when the interest is showing this much, but actually if we see the amount, the balance amount is showing lesser, because if you see in installment that 10,000 is already received, so 9800 is already received from this